Hey guys, in this video, we're going to take a look at how you can enable or disable high contrast fonts on the Samsung Galaxy S22 series. First, tap on the home button to go back to the home screen. From the home screen, swipe down at the top and tap on the settings icon. In settings, you want to swipe up to go down and tap on accessibility. Next, we tap on visibility enhancement. Then in here, we tap on high contrast fonts. So tap on the toggle button to switch it on or off. Now you can also tap on the left hand side panel. In here, you can also choose to turn on or turn off high contrast fonts shortcuts. This will allow you to quickly turn on or turn off high contrast fonts by accessing the accessibility button on the bottom corner. And here I can quickly turn on or turn off high contrast fonts. As you can see here in my settings, I can switch it on, I can switch it off. It doesn't really make a very big difference, just slightly having a slightly contrast in here. And that's it. Finally, we can tap on the home button to return back to the home screen. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel for more videos.